everyone, welcome back. This video is the site arrival for the Putts Corner Caravan and Motorhome Club site located near Sidmouth in Devon, and I need to say a thank you again to Anne Brooks for the footage for this one. Right, our footage starts on the A30 heading towards Honington, having left the M5 at junction 29, and our first turning is coming up right now. It's the A375 and it's signposted Honington. And here's our turning, the A375. From here to the site it's just under 4 miles and it's about 16 miles from the M5. Immediately after the petrol station on the left, turn left at the mini roundabout to continue on the A375. In just over 300 metres you'll come to another mini roundabout, turn right to continue on the A375. Again it's signposted Sidmouth. Okay, you're less than 3 miles from the site now, and it's about 2.5 miles to our next turning. Right, here's our next turning coming up. It's to the right and it's signposted Otter St Mary. Take the right hand turn by the Hare and Hounds Public House. The site is just a quarter of a mile down this road on the right hand side. It's worth pointing out this final approach is the only route recommended by the club. They say not to turn off from junction 28 of the M5 onto the A373 and avoid towing through Otter St Mary, as there's a 1 in 5 uphill gradient on that road. And here we are at Putts Corner Caravan and Motorhome Club site. It's normally open from mid-March till the beginning of November. Non-members are welcome, but sadly they don't accept tents. There's a total of 117 pitches, 93 of which are hard standing. Thanks once again to Anne for the footage, and thank you to you too for watching. If you have any footage you'd like to send in which you think would be suitable, please do get in touch. Check out the email in the description below.